Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to archive rows here in Smartsheet. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Smartsheet, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To archive rows in Smartsheet, you typically have a few options depending on your needs. Because Smartsheet works in a different way like the other platforms such as Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. Now, the first option is once you are logged into your Smartsheet account, go to the file that you're working with. In my case, that's going to be this. I'm going to open that, and then, for example, I wanted to archive this specific column or this row right here. Right click on it, and there's gonna be an option that says move to another sheet. Okay, you can go to the archive section. All right, click that. For example, I'm gonna be clicking on this archive sheet that I have created in my previous tutorial. All right, we have a separate video on how to archive here on Smartsheet. We are talking about archiving the rows. So if you want to know how did I created the archive folder, you might want to check that out, please, in our channel. And while at it, you might want to subscribe. Okay, or I can go and switch to the archive folder, whichever I wanted. But for now, I'm gonna copy that to another sheet. That's one way, right? You see, it's gone already. It has been moved. So basically, I have archived that specific row to another folder on my archive files. That's one way. Number two option is gonna be, for example, if you're working on this specific file, copy to another sheet. All right. For example, I'm gonna copy that to the archive folder again, and this is gonna be this. Now, if you copy that, delete the copied file here because you have already kind of like archived the row in that section. You see what I mean? So one is you move the row entirely to the archive folder. Number two option is copy that and then delete the row as well. So the difference is that during moving, you finalized the data already here on the specific sheet. Copying means you only copied the specific portion of the row. For example, you're still working on it and just wanted to make a backup copy, and then when you finalized all the data, since you already have a backup, you might want to delete that. So it's good for experimentation with large data sets. That's two-way. The last option is gonna be click this, and there should be an option for the hide column, right? If you hide that column, what will happen is one of the rows will be hidden as well. So it's like archiving the rows and that. If you don't want to, the specific row to be seen, you might want to hide that for now as part of the entire column. And that way, it's like archiving as well. Because again, Smartsheet works in a different way. When working with multiple data sets here, Smartsheet can become cluttered with completed or outdated information. So archiving helps declutter the sheet, allowing you to focus on current tasks. Because sheets like this, with too many rows, can slow down in performance, especially when loading or applying filters. Archiving old data, although not in the traditional way, helps keep the sheet running smoothly. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.